The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Tri Glide is the flagship three-wheeled touring motorcycle in Harley's elite CVO custom vehicle operations lineup, designed for riders who want the ultimate in comfort, performance, and style for long-distance cruising. Built on Harley-Davidson's premium touring platform, the CVO Tri Glide combines powerful performance, refined technology, and luxurious features that set it apart from standard touring trikes. Underneath its striking bodywork, the 2026 CVO Tri Glide is powered by Harley-Davidson's Milwaukee-Eight V-Twin engine, delivering abundant torque and smooth power delivery, ideal for effortless highway cruising, passing maneuvers, and loaded touring. This big-bore motor is paired with a refined transmission and powertrain that emphasize both relaxed cruising and responsive roll-on acceleration when you need it. Comfort and convenience are key priorities on the CVO Tri Glide. A plush, contoured seat for rider and passenger ensures comfort on long journeys, while spacious luggage capacity, including hard saddlebags and a rear trunk, lets you carry gear, clothing, and touring essentials with ease. The Trike's stability provides confidence in all conditions, and the wide rear stance gives the bike a planted feel at highway speeds and through sweeping corners. Advanced electronics and rider aids play a big role in the 2026 CVO Tri. Safety features such as cornering ABS, traction control, and cruise control increase confidence, especially on extended trips. Visually, the CVO Tri Glide stands out with exclusive paint schemes, custom badging, and premium finishes only available through Harley's CVO program. These customization touches make each bike distinct and reflect Harley-Davidson's commitment to individuality. Overall, the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Tri Glide is a luxury touring machine built for riders who want maximum comfort, power, and technology on three wheels, a premium choice for long-distance riders seeking both performance and style in one complete package.